morning to one and all. Myself Rajnandini Vijaymasram from DKT English Medium High School Standard 10th, Ichalkaranji, Kolhapur, Maharashtra. First of all, I thank APJ Abdul Kalam Foundation to provide me an opportunity to speak on APJ Abdul Kalam's Vision 2020. Vision. What is vision? Vision is an important aspect to look forward for a bright future. If vision is clear, one can take forward the necessary steps so that the vision will become true. Hence, to reach the success, every country needs a vision for every year, and that is what applies to India as well. A vision should be so designed that it should have considered all the possible problems along with their solutions. Hence, it must be clear that to meet the objectives, a vision document should have considered all the levels of overview and specificity. Such a vision was put forth by the most respected, renowned person of India who received the highest ranking award Bharat Ratna, none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a real gem of India. He proved that with determination and hard work, anything can be achieved. Kalam strongly advocates an action plan to develop India into a strong nation by 2020. He regards his nation as a knowledge superpower and developed nation. He wrote a book along with Y.S. Rajan and describes the present and future scenario in India. Kalam explains the importance of science and technology for the development of India. Kalam described this plan as follows. Transforming the nation into a developed country, 5 areas in combination have been identified based on following things. First, competence, natural resources, talented manpower to develop the country, double the growth of GDP and realize the vision of developed India. This is about India will be developed by 2020. Now, there is a group or private organization called Visionaries Organization in Service of Society, Voice. And there, let's complete his Vision 2020 to promote Abdul Kalam's vision after the death of him on 27th of July 2015. Vision of Abdul Kalam includes certain points. First is agriculture and food processing. We all know that agriculture is a major facet of our country. Our country is totally dependent on agriculture and food processing. Without it, we can't have a grain of food. Developing and collaborating, increasing the production of agriculture is very important. Many job opportunities are also created out of it, and it can be helpful in many other ways. Next is infrastructure and power supply. Infrastructure is very important. What is infrastructure? Infrastructure is nothing but the buildings we see around us. We all know that India is known all over the world because of Taj Mahal, which is the wonder of world. This is nothing but infrastructure. There is also importance of the electric power supply 24/7. Education and healthcare. Education is the root of everything. Education builds the future generation and help them to learn more technical skills. Hence, our country should be directed towards the best quality education provider so that we should develop our country in a good way. Poverty and illiteracy is the next point. Poverty and illiteracy are the 2 points which lag the development of country. Hence, they need to be permanently removed from the development. As we have crossed the year 2020 of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's vision, we should remember his vision and work on it. India is a country where largest number of youth is present. Youth should take into consideration Kalam's views and work on it to make it come true. Our nation is an ocean of skills, knowledge, natural resources and many other things that are not available in any other country, which need to be cherished and developed. Development should be taken up to the next level and make it more advanced. Vision of India 2020 is just a part of vision which is told by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I believe that if we all work together, it is not difficult to do so. United we stand and divided we fall. So let's make India the best in all over the world. So come on, let's make Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam our ideal and work on his vision. It may be difficult, but remember Abdul Kalam's saying, success is a vehicle which moves on a wheel named hard work. So let's hard work and make Abdul Kalam's vision come true. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.